Okay. Good evening, students. So, in general, we have seen that some numerical questions are asked, and basically, numerical questions are asked from the area of market. So, you can see one questions. We will try to solve one or two questions of numerical questions. Basically, here, one question which is asked in 2022, 20 marker questions. Consider a duopoly market where P is equal to 100 minus 2Q, marginal cost is given as 10, and total output produce which is spilled into two market Q1 and Q2. Suppose farm 1 is a market leader. Here market farm 1 is taken as market leader and farm 2 is the follower. Farm 1 decide its output first, then farm 2 will decide its output decisions. So how can we solve these questions? Marx is simple solutions, no critical application is there basically. So main thing, in order to solve these questions, we can apply Stackelberg duopoly model. Stackelberg duopoly model. Stackelberg duopoly model. We can apply the Stackelberg duopoly model, can be applied here. Can be applied. So, in respect of Stackelberg, we need to find out the reaction function. First, reaction function, market farm 1 will use the reaction function of farm 2 for determining his output decision. Now, given price is equal 100 minus 2Q, 100 minus 2Q, and whereas Q is given, Q is the sum of small letter Q1, Q2, which means the output produced by farm 1 and output produced by farm 2 respectively. So, by putting the value of Q, that is Q1 plus Q2, this is how you will get, ultimately you get P is equal to 100 minus 2Q1 minus 2Q2. So, this is the price. This is the price we can. Now, you can calculate the total revenue in farm 1. Total revenue in farm 1. This one P1 Q1, PQ1. When you multiply it, P1 Q1, you will get the total revenue. P1 is given, that is 100 minus 2Q1 minus 2Q2 multiplied Q. Then you will get the function of total revenue like 100 Q1, 100 Q1 minus 2Q1 square. Simple solution here, you will get 2Q1 square minus 2Q1 2Q2. 2Q1 2Q2. This is 1. This is the total revenue of farm 1. Similarly, we can calculate total revenue in farm 2. For farm 2, we have to calculate total revenue for farm 2. So, 100 minus 2Q1 2Q2 Q2. So, this is how here you will get also total revenue of farm for farm 2, that is 100 Q2 100 Q2, 100 Q2 minus 2 Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2 and minus 2 Q2 square. So, this is the total revenue in market 2. Here, now the reaction curve for farm 2 can be calculated as follows. How we can find out the reaction function of farm 2? Reaction function of farm 2, reaction function of farm 2, that is marginal revenue in market 2 is equal marginal cost, which is common for all market, FC1. So, here margin, in order to find out the marginal revenue in market 2, you do differentiate the total revenue with respect to Q2, that is marginal revenue in market 2, differentiate total revenue in 2 market by del Q2, then we will get the marginal revenue of market 2, which is 100 minus 2 Q1, 100 minus 2 Q1 and minus 4 Q1, minus 4 Q2, minus 4 Q2. So next, therefore, you equating this marginal revenue with marginal cost, then we will get the reaction function, very simplifying. So, therefore, what we got? 100, I think 100 marginal revenue is what? 100 minus 2 Q1, 100 minus 2 Q1 minus 4 Q2 is equal 10, which is the marginal cost. So, when you simplify this one, simple 4 Q2, that would equal 100 minus 10 and 2 Q1, 100 minus 10, 10 here, and this one minus 2 Q1, 2 Q1. So, this is how 4 Q2 you will get 4 Q2 simple 90 minus 2 Q1, 2 Q1. So, 4, therefore, you get Q2 is equal to 90 minus 4, that is 45 minus Q1 divided by 2. This is the reaction function of farm 2. This is the reaction function of farm 2. By using these reaction functions, farm 1 will decide his output. That is, farm 1 is the market leader, that is first mover, and that is why does it uses, obviously does it uses, as per Stackelberg, uses the reaction function of farm 2. By applying the reaction function of farm 2, farm 1 will decide his output. Now, try to find out the marginal revenue in farm 1. Now, marginal revenue in farm 1, when we can differentiate the total revenue in 1 in respect of del Q1. Then 100 minus 4 Q1, 100 minus 4 Q1 and minus Q2, minus 2 Q2. So, this is the marginal revenue of farm 2. Therefore, marginal revenue is equal marginal cost. So, total revenue, in case we put the value total revenue, marginal revenue, or you can say total revenue, in market 1, total revenue of market 1, that is 100 Q1. What we got? 100 Q1 minus 2 Q1 square, 2 Q1 square minus 2 Q1 and Q2. Just put the value of Q2 here. Just we are putting the value of Q2, which is 45 minus Q1 by 2. Just we are putting the value of Q1. This is how we will get 100 Q1 minus 2 Q1, 100 Q1 minus 2 Q1 square, 2 to cancel, so 45 Q1 minus 45 Q1, and this is why Q1 minus plus Q1 square. This is the total revenue that we get after putting the value of the Q2. Now we can find out the marginal revenue from this directly. So this is the marginal revenue in market 1, that is the differentiation of total revenue by in respect with dQ1. So this is how you will get 100 minus 4 Q1 minus 45 plus 2 Q1. This is the marginal revenue. Therefore, marginal revenue is equal marginal cost. Marginal revenue of market 1 is equal to marginal cost. So just equate with marginal cost. Therefore, 100 minus 4 Q1 minus 45 plus 2 Q1 is equal 10. Is equal 10. So this is how we will get from here 2 Q1. After simplifying, we will get here 2 Q1 is equal to 45. Therefore, Q1 is equal to 45 by 2. This is the quantity output produce of farm 1. This is the quantity output produce of farm 1. Now, farm 2 will decide about his output by using the farm's 1's decisions. So now the output, now farm 2 will decide his output. Now farm 2 will decide his output. So already we find out Q2 is equal to 45 minus P1 by 2. P1 by 2. P1 by 2. Sorry, Q1 by 2. Q1 by 2. Now, by putting the value of Q1, here we will get the value of Q2 is equal 45 by 4. This is the output of farm 2. So we can write this is the output of. Now we can find out profit also, just putting the all value, that is 100 minus 2P1 minus 2Q1 minus 2Q2. When you put the values of Q1 and Q2, we will get the value of price also here, that was 32.50. When we calculate or simplify by putting all these values of Q1, Q2, we will get the price is P is equal to 32. Similarly, we will get profit of firm 1. Profit of firm 1, how this one? This one total revenue in market 1 minus total cost 1. Simply you need to understand total revenue already we have find out, but total cost is not given here. Here is given only marginal cost, that is 10. But when you integrate this constant, when you apply the principle of integrations, then you will get the total cost. In order to find out the total cost, we have to do simple integrations of marginal cost. So that is why total cost, you will get total cost 10Q1 in case of firm 1, and total cost in case of firm 2, that was 10Q2. So that is why after putting the total revenue minus total cost, total revenue minus total cost, total revenue is what? P into Q1, and total cost is 10Q1 in case of firm 1. In case of firm 2, profit will be P1, P into Q2 and minus 10Q2. Just this marginal cost we just differentiate. Then we will get the profit after calculating. We will get profit here also. How much profit we are getting here? 506.25. Again, profit in market 2 also we can calculate, that was 253.25. This is how we can calculate by applying simple differentiation as well as integrations principle. So such type of questions are supposed to be asked from numerical questions are supposed to be asked from basically market area in case of advanced micro. So practice such type of questions more and more in such a way that you can do easily at the time of your exam. So okay, thank you. একটু দেখা যাও তো কতটুকু সময় হয়েছে।